Yo, yo, hello, friends, hello. We've made it. We're back. We are back here, man. We are doing mobile things. Also, welcome, Kyotari and Sushi. Welcome, friends. Welcome. I hope you're doing very well. Yeah, sorry for the mega scam. I totally scammed the sound alerts. We scammed big time. Oh no, I'm robbing friends of points. This is no good, actually. Yeah, I totally forgot. I think so. So the thing is, I have two PC setups. Like I have one when I do like gaming, and I think on that one I have the sound alerts on like the starting screen, but on this one I don't. Yeah, that waited me for long. Oh yeah, yeah. Sorry. I don't know. We're trying. I don't know. I've seen some friends do like the thing where they like stall out the ads at the beginning. I'm like just trying to do this now. I don't know. It feels kind of weird though. It feels kind of dank meme, I think. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Why we got the jump scare in the ear. I think thank you for Among Us. Yes, that was very extra sus mood. Yeah. But we've made it. We're back. I finally returned. It is very nice. It is good. We'll be doing some Sigma things. We'll be getting some Sigma Riz and Aura, I think. Yes, we will try at least. Yeah. And as I've been active into this cat fantasy game, now that I'm active on the C community. Oh, nice, Kyotani. Oh yeah. Wait, is that the one you talked about our last time? Oh, I don't know if you talked about this one, but there's some cool games you've shared. There's some cool games you shared. I like the ones that you've been playing. This is very good. This is very nice. Yeah. I don't know, what have I been playing recently? What have I been playing? Oh yeah, I think, oh yeah, I mentioned on stream, yeah, I got back into like World of Warcraft. This was fun. This was mega fun. Yeah, we like our games, man. We like our games. I talked about it last time. Oh, okay, yeah. I think I might have remembered, but I forgot the name of the one. But it was a nice looking one. We like our little cat friends. They're very nice and huggable. Yeah, especially like cat themed games. This is extra cozy. This is extra cozy and fluffy style too. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, we've been playing some more games ourselves too. Yeah. Although yeah, I guess we should jump into it, shall we? I think so. Let's jump into it and show the things that we've been playing. Show the things that we've been doing. Oh wait, I forgot. Wait, I need to log into something. Wait, we'll stall a bit. I forget, I have this little yippee thing, and sometimes it like de-authenticates. Yes, I built little yippee thing for the redeems. Yeah. Well, let's log into this one. Yes. Okay, we have it. We have it back. Okay, we can swap. Yes, it is an extra scuffed stream today, I think. Yeah, but we have the little yippies on the top right now. I literally have to log in for that to show. Yeah, it's a whole like deal with like authenticating with Twitch so we can have our little yippie redeems. Yeah, but I've been playing some games too. We've been playing some games. Yeah, I think I talked about this one yesterday, but we've been doing like, what was it, like World of Warcraft, the War Within expansion. This is extra good actually. This is a very fun game, which is very nice if you like collecting like mounts and stuff. It is very good. But we'll show this. We'll show this. Yeah, but we like these styles. We like these. Yeah, this one, man. This one. We like this. Yes, and we go underground into cool new pretty zones. It's pretty nice. Yeah. Unfortunately, I had to wait months for the Necopar collab to be in C Cat Fantasy. China got it late by 3 months since it got released. Oh, that's unfortunate. I've been in kind of similar scenarios. So there's this one game I play a lot, like a lot. It's called Puzzle and Dragons. It's a mobile game, and you can like match these puzzles and collect a bunch of different creatures and stuff. Yeah, but there's like two versions of the game. There's one on the Japanese App Store, and there's one on like the, well, I guess like non-Japanese App Store. But the Japanese one always get these like extra cool expansions and stuff, and it takes them like months or even like years to come out on like the other app stores. Yeah, so I totally feel your pain. I feel this. Yes, this is unfortunate, but all the cool stuff usually comes out like out of wherever like the game is made. They always get the cool stuff first. Yeah, I totally feel this. But I love this game. I shield this game a lot. I would recommend it if you haven't played it. And you like collecting things and puzzles and mobile stuff. It is a very good one. The Puzzle and Dragons. Yeah, I've been playing it for maybe like, I don't know, like 10 plus years. We are a bit kind of addicted a little bit. Yes, we've been playing this a lot. Yeah, it's very good. However, there's more time that I can get some polls of because Global was highly rushed with the collab. Oh, I see. Interesting. Yeah, you gotta like time it right. Wait, so this is the name of the game, Cat Fantasy? I think we had seen this last time. Well, let me see this. Like Cat Fantasy style. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I might have seen this. Yeah, wait, is this like is this gacha style? I forget the genre. Well, let's see. Cat fantasy style, isekai adventure. Oh, it's turn-based RPG. Okay, I think I've played some games like this, like turn-based style. Is this like, I don't know. I think of like Fate Grand Order when I think of like turn-based RPGs. Although that's kind of more like, I think it's a different style of game. It's a different style. But we can check out their website. We can check them out. I forgot. It's just been a minute since we've seen this. Oh, pretty animations, man. Pretty animations and stuff. Yes, also take all my cookies. You can have my cookies. We bake them for you. Yes. Okay, this is cool. This is mega cool. Yeah, I don't remember if we talked about this. This looks pretty nice. This looks pretty nice though. Yes. Oh, and they have it on the App Store, man. Of course, we like our mobiles around here. We like our mobiles around here. Yes. So we got to check out the App Store page. This is the way, man. This is definitely the way. Oh, this looks pretty good. This looks mega good style. Yeah, oh wait, yeah, this totally looks like Fate. It looks like Fate, but like more like graphics and stuff. Fate is like a lot less like 3D stuff. Yeah, this is pretty nice though. This is very good. This is very good. Yeah. I'm always open to like getting another mobile game addiction. I play maybe like a bunch of mobile games at the same time. It's pretty nice. It is pretty good. Yeah. As pretty as I'm active on the Cat Fantasy C community, I have 1,000 plus messages there. Oh, nice. Nice. You see, that's when it's like a good game that you like, when you have like a billion, many messages. Yeah, you get all the time and probably a lot more like play hours and stuff too. Yeah, I'm like this with the WoW. I'm like this with the WoW. Although I guess like, so I was showing like World of Warcraft War Within style, but I don't really message too much on here. Yeah, I don't know. I play this game mostly like solo style. I play it mostly for collecting the cool mounts, the cool things that you can fly on. Yeah, but I do have a lot of hours in this one. This one's pretty good. Yeah, that's pretty good, Kyotani. I'm glad you're enjoying this one. I'm glad you're enjoying this one. I guess I haven't really gotten, I don't know. What are some like mobile games that have like lots of cool chats in them? There was one I've shared before, which was called like Food Fantasy, which is gacha about like food characters that I've played. And then this one, I have like a guild in this one. Although honestly, I've not logged in for a while, so it's kind of dead. It's kind of like a dead guild. It's gonna dank meme. And truth be told, my guild in this game, it wasn't actually my guild to begin with. So like if you don't log in for long enough, then you can kick the guild leader. And like all the party members kick the guild leader, and since I had so many hours in this game and like levels, it just automatically promoted me. And so I technically own a guild in this game now, but it's like everyone's inactive. Yeah, I don't know. It's a good one. It's a good one. We like this one, but this one also has like chat and stuff. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. We like our gachas around here. We like our mega gachas. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I've been playing lots of different games recently. Like we played one on stream like this week that I started. Yeah, this one I think was like the Resident Evil style. This was pretty fun. Yeah. Now I'm happy. Now I might have to leave because I'm missing dailies. Okay, well thanks for stopping by, Kyotani. Yeah, good look on the dailies then. Good look on the mega daily styles. Yeah. I'm kind of the same with like my mobile games. I have maybe like I don't know, 5 or 6 mobile games that I just log into daily to get their login bonus. That's like a good thing about like the mobile gachas and the mobile games. Like a lot of them will just give you free stuff for just logging in for the day, and I get like a bunch of cool resources and things. This is pretty good. We like this a lot. We like this a lot. Yeah. But yeah, what else have we been playing recently? I was playing this one on stream the other day, the Resident Evil 7. This one is extra mega scary style. This one is extra mega scary. It is in the horror genre varieties, and I am not used to this kind of genre. So I've played maybe like 3 horror games before this. So like my tolerance for horror is like very low. I get like jump scared super easily. Yeah. But I think we're starting to like come around to it, man. I think we're starting to finally come around to it and get like mega tolerance, and that way we don't jump in the jump scares. Yes, but we're still like, we jump very high when we get scared. Yeah, But this has been pretty fun. This has been pretty fun. We're almost like done with this game, I think. Yeah, we got like pretty far into it last time, and we just started it like that. Like on, I think it was Wednesday we started this. Yeah, I think it's a shorter one, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. My first game in Resident Evil series, which I've heard there's like more than like 20 games in this one, but this is like my first one. Yeah, I think the series goes back for like a long time, if I remember right. Like if I search up the Resident Evils, I think this is like an older series, like from way back when. But they had some newer ones recently. Yeah, this is from 1996. Yeah, so I think the one I'm playing, the Resident Evil 7 style, this is from 2017. So we're playing like one of the newer ones. Yeah, which is pretty good. And I think I'll play the Evil Village after this one. Yeah, I think this will be good. I think this will be good. But I'm starting to like the horrors a lot. We are liking this, man. We are testing our jump scare thresholds. Yeah, this is pretty good. Yeah. What else? What else has been happening and stuff in the worlds? Oh yeah, actually, so in the worlds of animes, right? We've been watching this. We've been watching the solo leveling. Solo leveling season 2 finished today. And oh my goodness, man, if you like shonens and like big mega cool flashy fights in the animes and like people going all out and doing mega abilities and styles, this is super awesome. I would highly recommend. But they finished the season today and we saw this finale. It was mega good. It was mega good and awesome, and I would highly recommend. Yeah, but we finished this one, man. But now this is bad for me actually now, because now I have nothing to watch. We need to like get into a new anime or something. We need to get into new anime and like because we need to increase our anime backlogs. Yes, that way we don't have like the dry spells, the dry seasons of no animes. Yeah, I think so. Rip. Also, welcome Goldie. Yeah, it is kind of mega rip. Yeah, we need some new animes. This will be good. This will be mega good. Oh, also rip that guy. He got Thanos snapped. Yeah, I don't know. I have been watching some other animes, but like they didn't come out with new seasons. Like what are some other ones? Actually, there might be a new like Konosuba season. Is it season 3? Is it season 3? I like my isekais, man. We've been watching this a little bit. But maybe we haven't seen like the new season that came out. Yeah, there might be one. There might be one, but we gotta check it out, man. We gotta check it out. But yeah, right now I have like nothing on my backlog. Yes, maybe we'll play some more video games instead then. Yeah. But it has been fun, man. I have been enjoying the solo leveling. I think technically, like if I check it, I think solo leveling season 2 like broke records. They actually broke records. They like some of the episodes are like some of the highest rated of all time in like the shortest amount of time. Yeah, look at this one. Like solo leveling has broken its record of 15 hours and 30 minutes, has gotten 200,000 likes in 3 hours. So like on Crunchyroll, they're breaking records, man. They're breaking records. It is actually like it is kind of insane. It is kind of insane, actually. Yeah, but the episodes are so good, man. People are just like, it comes out and people like it and they watch it instantly. Yeah. It is mega good. It is mega good. But yeah, we'll see if we get some yummy animes in the futures. Yeah, just wanted to drop in a sec. Gotta be up early tomorrow. Good night. Oh yeah, good luck, Goldie. Yeah, I hope the things fare well for you tomorrow. Thanks for stopping by. But I hope you have a very nice night and nice sleeps. Yeah, thank you very much for stopping by. Yeah, we'll be doing some Sigma things. Let's do some Sigma things, shall we? I think so. Yeah. What have we got on the horizon? Oh yeah, it's been a while since I've worked on this app. It has been like a minute, actually. It has been a while. But let's see. Let's take a look at our Sigma app. Yeah. Here it is, man. Here it is, Gigariz. It is so brain rot. Yes. This is exactly what we like, man. The Gigariz. It is Gigachad, but also Sigma Riz style. Yeah. But it's been like, I don't know, we've been working on our Yippee app a lot more. Like we've done like a whole lot of like code changes to Yippee mobile game, and like we're almost ready for an update. But we've been kind of putting this one on the back burner for a while. Like maybe it's been like a month or two since we've worked on this one. Yeah, although I think we were kind of pretty much done with like most of the features. Yeah, but let's take a look at what our app does. Yeah, so this is basically kind of like a toolkit for becoming Sigma. Yes, so let's see. So it is like, see how Sigma you are and improve to become the ultimate Gigachad. Yeah. And it has like two features in it. We can do Sigma rating from your photo. So you can like take a selfie with this app, and it can tell you how like Sigma you are on a scale of 1 to 10 based on your selfie. So it's kind of like rating yourself or something. I guess something like this. Yeah. And then we also have like AI stuff. We have like AI where you can get a pickup line from the AIs by typing something in. It'll turn it into a pickup line. Yeah, that one I think we actually finished, but we might not have finished like the photo one. Yeah, but those are our two features. And here's the UIs. Yeah, it's been so long. Even I'm forgetting some stuff that we put in here. Yeah, so this one is like where you dig to selfie. Like right now, since it's in simulator mode, it'll do like you can pick a photo from your album. But ideally, it would go like here, and you get like all these selfies with your scores out of 100 on like how Sigma you are. Yeah. So my Sigma score, this Sigma score is like 82. It is pretty Sigma, man. Yeah, this is extra Sigma, so we call them Sigma. We call them Sigma if their score is like above 80, I think. Yeah. And then like we have this advice view to like give advice on how to become even more Sigma. Yeah, so like this is like how to mew and stuff, how to mew and how to look smacks and get Sigma jawline or something. Yes, I think this one we can probably clean up a bit more. Yeah, we can probably like put these into little sections and stuff with like nice like colors around them and like better font style and stuff. Yeah, maybe we can do that. Maybe we can do that. Yeah. But that is what we have. That is what we have. Yeah, because right now it kind of looks like a grocery shopping list. it's like, oh, I need to go to the grocery store and figure out what is the Sigma thing we need to try out, man. What is the menu item in the store that we need to shop for? Yeah, something like this, I think. Yeah. But we've been doing good, man. We've been doing good. And then we had this one. We had this feature, which was the pickup line AI. Yeah. So like we can put in like anything in here and it turns it into a pickup line. So let's say we want to put in like, I don't know, we want to put in like the moon, like literally anything. I think it'll turn it into pickup line style. Yeah. Your radiance outshines the moon, making it envious of your captivating beauty. See, it's working pretty good, actually. It's working pretty good. I'm pretty happy with how this feature turned out. Yeah, I think there were still some things we wanted to, like, change in it a little bit, but it's looking pretty good for the most part. Yeah. But what other things we can do? We can try and like limit test it. We can try and limit test it by putting in like a bunch of stuff. So we can try like, I don't know, maybe like what if we put in pickup line as a pickup line? Does it know what this is? Is your name Google? Because you've been everything I've been searching for. Okay, I think when we give it like weird context, it doesn't really know too much. But that's still a pickup line. That's still not so bad. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. But now let's do like Google. Now let's do like Google and see what we get. Are you a search engine? Because you've been everything I've been searching for. Okay, that's kind of like the same one. That's kind of like the same one. But we are getting our pickup lines now. This is mega good, actually. Yeah, we have all the power of the AIs on our hand, man. Oh no, the AIs are gonna take over. They've got pickup lines now. Oh no, they're gonna riz us all, man. Oh no, this is no good. Yeah. But we've got cool things. We've got cool features and stuff. Yeah, I think mostly we need to make this stuff look better. Like, I think this doesn't look the greatest. Like, we can probably, like, round the corners a bit. Maybe we can work on that. Yeah, because I do have, like, some rounded corner thing in my Yippee app that we can probably yoink and stick in the code here. Yeah. I have a feeling this will be good. This will be mega good. Yeah. What else do we have? Oh yeah, we have this background color thing. This is like one of my favorite parts of the app. Yeah, it's like changing the color. Yes, this pleases the brains. This pleases the brains a lot to change the colors of the stuff. Yeah. And we did a thing with like light and dark mode too. Yeah. So like the bars here are black because the background is like a light color. But if we change it to a darker color, then like the bars turn like white. Yeah, you see, it is like the light and the dark mode. Yes, this is the way, man. This is definitely the way. But yeah, I don't know what else have we have in this app. Yeah, we did this about view. We did this about view to do like self promo plug in our own app. Yeah, why not, man? I did this for my Yippee app too, my Yippee mobile game. So we have like a little shameless plug in our Yippee mobile game, and we'll do one in our Sigma app too. Yes, it is the double shameless plug. Why not, man? Yes, this is definitely the way. But we have our links to like our YouTube and our Twitch in here. I think actually, if I click the Twitch one, it might do like double thing style. Yeah, let's see. Does it actually? Oh, now we're streaming to ourselves. Yes. Oh, we'll close this one though. We'll close this one. This is Streamception. But we have this like embedded in our app now. Yeah, and I'm pretty sure like the code works so that like if you have the Twitch app downloaded, it opens in Twitch. But like right now on our simulator, it opens in like Safari web browser. Yeah. So this is definitely the good style, man. This is good. Yeah. Well, what else do we have? Oh yeah, we have like our privacy policy in our contact support link. Yeah, we need to fix this. This is not looking right. This is not looking right. We can fix this one. I think contact support. Yeah, this isn't so bad. This isn't so bad. We have our little form here, and I think technically it should send. Well, actually, there's a secret about this link here. When you click this send button, it doesn't do anything. So better like send an email to this one. Yeah, but we have like a support link in our app. Yeah, because Apple requires like every app has one before they can like publish to the app store. So we had to like make a website and stuff. Yeah, it was kind of dank meme. But we have this. We became a web dev for a little bit. Yes. We put on our little web hat. Yeah, I'm alright with web dev. I think it's okay. I think it's pretty good. It's pretty good actually. I just don't have like so much experience in it, so my website's like kind of mega scuffed. Yeah, we must become more of a web dev, I think. Yeah. But yeah, we have some features that we've been working on in this app. Yeah, I mostly need to polish up some of the stuff, maybe some of the UIs and things. Yeah. But what else? Oh yeah, I forgot yesterday we were looking at like a dank meme programming language. We were looking at something that's like very fitting for this app. It's very fitting. Yes, I think one of the friends, I think it was Dolphin Burp, showed something yesterday on stream. It was like PyGyat language. This one. Well, we'll show this friend. Yeah. This language, which is like Python, but like with using like Sigma and Riz and like Aura as like all the keywords. So like all the languages look like this, like Skibbity Rizzler, like Bop and stuff, and Let 'em Cook, and all of this stuff. And I'm thinking like, oh man, we should do something like this. We should do something like this for like building our like I feel like it would have been better if we used something like this to build our Sigma app, right? Because then all it would be like Sigma app, but in like Sigma terms. Yeah. Although we just figured out about this one, but yeah, technically there's Sigma language out there, but we have our Sigma app too. Maybe we'll put both the Sigmas on the screen. It is maximum Riz, man. It is maximum Riz. Yeah. We'll put Gigachad here. we'll put Gigachad here next to the Sigma language. That way, oh my gosh, look at all the Sigmas that are on the screen right now. Oh my gosh, we have Gigachad, and we have like the Sigma programming language, the PyGyat. Oh my gosh, this is actually Mega Sigma and Riz mode. Yeah, I think we've learned now. We've learned how to become extra Sigma. Yes, it is utilizing Sigma Toolkit Giga Riz app, but also we must learn the PyGyat language, and then we will truly be able to call ourselves a Sigma. Yeah, I don't know. That's kind of our goal, man. I think that's my goal in like making this Giga Riz app. It's like we are on a self-fulfilling journey to learn how to become Sigma ourselves. Yeah, so we have this Sigma app, and maybe after like building it, we'll finally learn what it takes to become truly Mega Sigma style. Yeah, I think so. We're still on our journey, I think. Yeah. This is pretty good, man. This is pretty good. We like our pie gats. We like our pie gats. Yeah, I want to build something in that. It seems mega meme because we've been building a lot of like meme mobile apps on our stream. It's like, why not use like a meme programming language too? Yeah, because even though we have like our Sigma app, right? We've built some other dank meme apps. Like we have our Skibbity Crush app, our Skibbity Toilet Candy Crush, because we like our memes here, man. We like our Skibbity toilets, and we built Candy Crush in the style of Skibbity Toilet. Yeah. So we have this where we can like match the toilets together in Skibbity Toilet Candy Crush fashion. Yeah, we like this, man. We like this. Yeah, even like I had not played Candy Crush before I built this app. Like I literally, so what I did was we downloaded Candy Crush on our phone, and I played like the first like couple levels just to get a feel for it and like how it works, and also to get like some of the images. Like the background here, the blue one for this app is kind of yoinked from actual Candy Crush. Yeah, although thankfully we don't publish this app. We don't publish this app, otherwise the Candy Crush gods would strike down upon us, I think. Yeah, they would probably not be happy about it. But we have this here though. We have this here. We've contained the brain rot. It is not available for the world, but we can show this on stream. Yeah, I think otherwise it would be like a biohazard. I think if it was actually out on the App Store, this would not be good. This would not be good. It would terminally brain rot everyone. Yeah. So we self-contain the brain rots, our Skibbity toilets. But it is here, man. It is here. This is true brain rot in action. Yeah. We could do like combos too. We could do like combos of Skibbity toilets too. Yeah, we get Mega Chain Skibbity Candy Toilet. Skibbity Candy Crush combos. Yeah. Oh man, I'm already getting brain rot. We already make a brain rot, I think. Yeah. Although that's what happens when we build a bunch of meme apps, man. We get mega brain rots. Yes. But it is good. We like doing this stuff around here. Yeah. What else do we have? Yeah, so I think maybe what we'll do like this stream is we'll probably work on our Gigachad app, because it has been a minute. I think we can probably get this published at some point. Yeah. We can probably publish the Gigachad app. Yeah, and I think we shouldn't have any like problems with it too, because there are some other Gigachad apps out there on the App Store too. Yeah. So like we are not the only one. We're not the only one. There's competition in the Gigachad worlds. Yeah, actually I'm interested. Let's see if we can find some of them. Let's see if we can find some of the Gigachad apps. Yeah, Gigachad mobile app in the App Store. I feel like I remember there were some that we saw. Yeah. There's Giga Nap. Oh wow, look at this. I've not seen this one. There's like Gigachad but like sleeping style. It is Giga Nap. Okay. Wait, so what is this? Is this like an app for Gigachads? Is this like sleeping but Gigachad style? Wait, when was this released? Was this recent? Oh no, this is like 2 years ago. Or actually no, it's like a year and a half. Yeah, so it's not that like new, but wait, this is interesting though. So we can sleep, but with self-confidence and learning style. Okay. That makes sense. We can be like extra Gigachad if we have the learnings and the nice eeps. Yes, it is truly Sigma and Gigachad to get the good night's rest. Yeah, I think this is definitely the Sigma way. Yeah. But we have this, man. Yeah, I don't know, we'll probably end up like publishing it, and dude, I hope we don't get like copyright strucken down for Gigachads. But there are some other Gigachad apps out there like that one, so I think we should be good. But that's always like a worry of mine, like the copyright gods will strike me down. But I don't think Gigachad himself is technically like copyright. Yeah, I think it is actually based on a real person, but like they're like mega photoshopped to be extra Sigma style. Yeah, so I think we should be fine. Yeah. Let's see, what can we do this stream though? I have an idea for some things that we can do. Yeah, let's see. So we have this history view. This is what I'm thinking on doing. Like something very small is we'll probably just like round the corners of these little boxes here. Yeah, maybe a little rounded corner style. I think it'll look a little better, like small quality of life update. Yeah, but That's kind of what I'm thinking on doing. It'll be pretty small change, pretty small one, but we can get some good stuff going. Yeah. Maybe we'll put it like up here. We'll put this like all the way up here. Yeah, maybe like a reference for what kind of we're working on. Yes. This is the Sigma way. This is the Sigma way. Yeah. So let's see. We'll go to our. I think we had it in like the Sigma advice view or something. Yeah, I think it was like this one. Yes, it was here. Yeah. So I think, oh yeah, we have all these like V stacks and stuff. All these V stacks and things. Yeah. Oh no, wait, actually it was in a different view. I think it was like a history view. Yes, this one, history pickup line view. Yeah. So we have like all these backgrounds with colors and stuff. Yeah. So let's see if we can replace this with like some like rounded corner components and things. Yeah. Let's try that. Let's try that. Let's see. So what have we got? Yeah, we can probably keep with this, but I'll refer some Yippee code. We'll refer some of our Yippee code as like reference for the rounded corner things. Yeah, because I have this in my shop. In the Yippee mobile game that we have like some little rounded corners in our shop. Yeah, so we can probably just yoink our code and put it in here. Yes, this is definitely the way, man. This is the optimal programming style. We just like yoink our old codes. Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Yes. Maybe we'll even show our Yippee code. Yeah. Let's show this. Let's show this style. Yeah. We'll swap over to our Yippies. We'll swap over to our Yippee styles. Yeah. So here's Yippee. Here's Yippee World. So I think in here we have our rounded corner stuff. Yeah. I think it's under here, like supporting views. Yeah, this one. Rounded corner. It's pretty small. Actually. But we can reuse this. We can reuse this in our Sigma app. Yeah. So let's just yoink this code. And slap it on into our Sigma app. Yes. We have a little dash of the Yippies in the Sigmas. Yeah, why not? The Yippies are also pretty Sigma themselves. So it kind of works out. Yeah. Let's do that though. So we'll make like a little rounded corner style thing. Yeah. We'll make this as like Swift UI view, I think. We'll call it the rounded corner. And let's put our stuff in here. Yeah. But there we go. We've got some rounded stuff. Yes, I think we can use this now. To make our stuff look nice and round. Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. So we'll go back to our history. Or I think it's, yeah, this one, right? Yeah. We'll go here and we'll do little rounded corners and stuff. Yeah. Although actually, I forgot what I had to call it. Wait, let's see. We'll refer our Yippee codes for this. Yeah. Let's yoink an example. Of calling this. And that way we can mega yoinks it. Yeah. Oh, I see what I did. I put it under like extensions too. Yeah. So let's also do that. Let's go to our extensions here and we'll put it under there. Yeah. So let's put it like here. Yes. Extension to view, and now we've got corner radius. So we can like basically make our little thing all round and nice. Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. And then I think now we can do like dot corner radius in some places. Yeah. Let's refer our Yippee codes for this one. Yeah. I think this is the way. Oh, and it needs to be on like a rectangle too. Yeah. All right. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. So we'll go to here, and I think instead of this background, we can do like actually maybe we can just put it here, like dot corner radius, and then let's say we have like some numbers here, and we do like top right and bottom right, or maybe top right and top left. Yeah. Let's just test it out. Let's test out the waters a little bit. And this one I think can be like bottom left and bottom right. Yeah. Now let's run it. Let's run it and see what we get. some goodies and stuff. Yeah, I think so. I think so. It'll make for a much faster dev style when we yoink our own codes. Yeah. Let's see what we get. So if we go like here, or I think it was here. Yeah, history view. Oh, see, now it's nice and round. Now we have these like round corners. Yeah, this looks much better, I think, than all the pointy corners. Yeah, I feel like that's kind of like mobile design style, less like pointy things. Yeah. This is looking pretty nice then. This is looking pretty nice. Yeah. Although the only thing I see is all the text is kind of like wacky mode. Like the old and the new, they're not like aligned right. I wonder if we can fix that. Let's see if we can fix this. Yeah. Like have like the old pickup line and like the new one that's like AI generated. Yeah. And then be like lined up. Well, let's do that. Let's do that. So let's see. These are all on different like H stacks. I think that's why. So we need like some kind of way to like perfectly align them in such a way that it's not like mega skewed style. Yeah, maybe we'll shrink this friend again. Yeah, we'll put this friend in the corner, or like here. Yes, we'll put him over there. Well, let's see. So maybe we'll want to do like, let's think about this one. Yeah, I feel like these texts should be in like the same kind of like stack or something. Yeah, that way they can like align pretty easily. Yeah, unless we do this. We do like alignment here. Alignment style, I think, on the V stack. Maybe we can get away with some alignments here. Yeah. Like leading here. What happens if I do this? What happens if I do this? Yeah. Let's check it out, man. Let's check it out. We'll test some things. We'll do a little bit of testing of the things. Yeah. Of the Giguriz styles. So, if we align everything leading... I don't know if that changed anything. I think it was maybe that was like the default. Maybe that was like the default. There's too much space or something. Yeah, it could be this. It could be this, but it looks like it didn't affect anything. Yeah. Let's check some other things then. Yeah. Let's align our stuff all nice and cool mode. Yeah. So we got this H stack and stuff. There is a frame around this. That's kind of what I'm thinking might be affecting it a little bit. Yeah, maybe this. Maybe this. It could be. But yeah, I kind of want to include both of these in the same like stack. Let's see if we can do that. If we just put like yes, this is H stack with the old and the thing, and they're all vertically aligned here. Yeah. Let's see what we can get away with. Yeah. Maybe some things. Maybe some things. Yeah. Let's think about this one. So, yes. This is kind of like the UI parts of the dev. Yeah. I guess with Swift UI, it's a bit kind of wacky mode, because you gotta kind of like nest everything and put everything in like stacks and stuff. Yeah, so we gotta think about a little bit. Yeah, we gotta think about this. Yeah. So let's see what we got going on. Yeah. Yes. So we'll do maybe yeah, I do like the alignment here, but it looks like we didn't get the results. Let's do like, let's take out this like frame part then maybe. Yeah, it could be this. It could be the frame. I feel if we like put a frame explicitly, it might like override any like alignments that we have on it. Yeah, let's take out the frame and align it and see what we get. Let's see what goodies we get. Yeah. What have we got? What have we got? So, yeah, let's go like here. Okay, yeah, you see all the text is aligned now. Although the width of it is kind of wacky. Yeah, so it like fixed the alignment problem, but like some of the rectangles are like bigger than the other ones. Yeah, it looks kind of, this is extra wacky mode. Yeah. Although, we can probably fix this by like making the width of like the base thing the same. Yeah, so what if we put like the frame on like this instead? Yeah, on like the actual V stack maybe. Maybe this is the way to go. Yeah, I have a feeling. Let's try it. Let's try it and see what we get. Yeah. That way it's still aligned. Let's see what we get. Any goodies and things. Yeah. Oh. Oh, it's small because we kept the height thing. Yeah, actually we don't want to do this then. This is tiny mode. This is tiny world. Let's see. What's better then? So we don't want it there. We maybe, yeah, if we take it out of this whole thing. Yeah, let's think then. Let's think. I don't want it on the scroll view either. Yeah, can I just specify like the width maybe? And make the height dynamic? Maybe this will be fine. Yeah. Let's try this. Let's try like fixed width. Yeah. Let's see what we get. Any goodies? We have this mode. So, okay, now it's like back to this, but I think, yeah, okay. Yes, this might not be the way. Yeah. Unless we put it on the text itself. Oh wait, this is a good strat. I think so. Yeah. Oh, also welcome H Ingles. Thank you for the raid, friend. Thank you, friend. I appreciate the raid. Welcome H Ingles and Nater 123. Thank you, friends. Yeah, we're doing some Sigma mobile app development. Yeah, but I hope you had a very nice stream, H Ingles. Yeah, but what were you up to? What were you up to, friend? Yeah. We are on the journey to become Sigma and Gigachad and stuff. Yeah, this is totally the way, man. Yes, but welcome all friends. How's stuff tonight? We're doing good. We're doing mega good. Yeah, we are on the Sigma grind set code journey. Yeah, we're building an app to tell you how like Sigma you are. It's like a Gigachad app. We have so many like dank memes and stuff. We build a lot of like dank meme apps around here. But yeah, things are going good. We're like aligning text and this stuff. Yeah, it's been alright. I was shaving the yak in Minecraft. Oh, nice. Oh, I love Minecraft. I love Minecraft. Yeah, I was actually thinking on playing like the Aether mod at some point because I've been having a hankering for Minecraft myself. We like our Minecrafts a lot. Yeah. Well, yeah, I hope you're doing very good, friend. Yeah, it is good to see you, friend. Yeah. Oh yeah, also, if you need to like raid and dash, please go ahead. But I appreciate the raid. Yeah, thank you very much. Yeah, we are on a self-fulfilling journey to learn how to become Sigma through the power of like pickup lines and Sigma rating features. It's kind of dink. It's kind of extra dink meme. Yeah, we're like aligning text and stuff. Yeah, making app look nice and extra pretty style. Yeah. Very nice. Yeah, it's going. Yeah, it's been a minute since we've worked on this app. Yeah, I have some other apps though. I've been working mostly on like this one like Yippee game. We have this Yippee game of like little Yippee creatures. Maybe we'll show this one also. Yeah. Yes, we like our little Yippee creatures too. Yeah. But yeah, we like our dank memes. Oh, there's our Yippee friend. We'll pull this out here. Yeah, but we have like a little Yippee mobile game that this one's actually like published and released. We have this one on the App Store, but we've been working on this one too. We've been working on this one like a fair bit. Yeah, this one actually I'm almost ready to like publish an update out for it. But we added like these new like backgrounds in here, which I'll scroll and stuff. Yeah, but we love little Yippee creatures. We have so many Yippies on the screen. We have like little Yippies at the bottom and like the top right and on our phone. This stream is like super Yippee encoded. Yeah, I think yeah, we've got like Yippee emotes too. Look at them go, right? They're so cute. We love our little Yippies. And stuff. Yeah, they're very huggable. And awesome and extra cute style. Yeah. But yeah, this is kind of like the main app that we're working on. Yeah, because this one we have already like out, and we're like we've been doing updates to it since then. Yeah, we've been doing like mega updates. Like we had like a Halloween update, and we added like Halloween background. Yeah, I think this update will be just for like getting like fresh new backgrounds. Yeah, so like the old background is like the one in the top right. Like that one was like our old one, and we're like replacing it with all these like new fresh ones. Yeah, these are looking pretty nice. I'm liking these updated backgrounds. Yeah. Oh yeah, also we can choose like different weapons too. We can choose different weapons too. We can have like a sword and like a ray gun. We can be like Mega Blaster Yippee with the Mega Ray Gun style. Yeah, this is definitely the way. Yeah. But yeah, we like our Yippies a lot around here. We like our Yippies and our dank memes. Yeah. But this is kind of what we've been doing. This is kind of what we do around here. Yeah, there's some other dank meme apps I've built on stream. Like I made like a version of like Fruit Ninja, but with like memes. We did like the meme ninja with like Skibbity Toilet and Pickle Rick and like Grimace Shake and stuff. Yeah, we're kind of like, we have like the mega brain rots around here. It is kind of like extra dank meme brain rot style, but that's kind of what we like around here. Yeah. It's been going pretty good. Yeah. But we are on our journey to like do some Sigma stuff. Let's do some extra Sigma styles. Yeah. We have our Sigma Gigachad app. Let's check it out. Let's check out what we got. Yeah. But I hope you've been doing very well, friend, and all friends too. Yeah, we have our Sigma Gigachad style. Yeah. So we have this like one feature that we have in here where we can like turn like anything into a pickup line. Yes, because what is Sigma if not the ability to have Riz? Yes, and we can get to Mega Riz with like pickup lines. Yeah, so we can literally put like, we can type anything and it'll like convert it to a pickup line. It's like, what if we do like, I don't know, like water or something? I think we'll get like cool mega pickup line style. Yeah, you must be made of water because you're the perfect mix of refreshing and irresistible. Oh my, this is like extra Sigma Riz style. This is extra Riz, I think. Yeah, and so like ideally like it'll take like your original pickup line and like the new one and it'll put it in this history view. Yeah, so we have like the old one and the new one. Yeah, and it stores them all here. But like, yeah, I think right now we're working on like aligning the text. Yeah, like the old and the new, they're kind of like off center. Yeah, so we'll try and like fix the alignment style. Yeah. That's kind of what we're doing. Yeah, let's do some Sigma dev stuff. But yeah, we are on our journey to become Sigma ourselves through the power of Gigachad and Sigma app dev. Yeah, let's check it out and do some Sigma things. Yeah. Very fun indeed. It is super fun. We like, I really like making the mobile apps and I like the memes. And so we like combine them together. We combine them together to get like dank meme mobile apps and mobile games and stuff. Yeah, this definitely like combines all of my loves for the memes and the mobile app dev. Yeah. This is definitely the way. Yes. Well, let's do it. Yeah. Let's align some text and do some pretty app dev styles. Yeah. But yeah, the plan is to publish this one too. We're probably gonna publish this Gigachad app also. Yeah, because right now we only have like one app on the App Store. Yeah, we have the Yippee mobile game, but this will be like our second one, I think. Yeah. Although technically I do have some more apps in the App Store, but like they'll leak, so we don't show these ones. But yeah, we do like a lot of like mobile games and stuff. Yeah, I guess this one is like the first one that isn't really like a game. It's more like a, I don't know, like a toolkit. It's like a Sigma toolkit kind of app. Yeah, but it is kind of like we're exploring different types of apps. Yeah, with this one. So let's check it out. Let's do some cool things. Let's do some cool things and stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, this one we have the text aligned, but like the boxes are all different sizes. Yeah, we can probably change the widths of this and stuff to be all aligned and things. Yeah, let's see how we can do it. Let's see how we can do it. Yeah. And we're like playing around with spacing and stuff. Yeah, it is all right. It is the all right style. Yeah. Maybe we'll take out this height thing in here. Yeah, but yeah, I'm like coding all of this in Swift programming language. We are kind of like very Swift encoded around here. We are embedded into the Apple frameworks. Yes, we are kind of like an Apple stan. I like all things like iOS and iPads and stuff. Yeah, I've been doing like Swift for like quite a while. Like I've been doing it maybe since like, oh, this might, it's like been a while, but like 2016 I guess is like my first like Swift project. Yeah, we've been doing it for like a very very long time. Yeah. Although I never actually published my first app until like 2020. Yeah, it took me quite a while to get good enough before I could actually like publish something. Yeah, because there's like a whole bunch of rules that like Apple has for like apps, like the way they need to be designed and like formatted and stuff. Yeah, so we kind of learned a lot of this along the way. But yeah, we kind of know the styles now. We know the ways that Apple wants. Yeah. But it's definitely been a nice learning journey, and we can build all the weird ideas that we have in our mind. Yes, like skibbity toilet apps and Dankameme fruit ninjas and stuff. Yeah, it is pretty good. It is pretty good style. Yeah. Let's see what we got though. Let's see what we got going on here. Yeah, I think this is looking mostly alright. Yeah, the only thing we have here is like the boxes are kind of off center. Yeah, I think it was looking pretty good though when we had it like shorter width. Yeah, let's see, let's test out some things. Yeah. But even though I'm like super like into iOS and stuff, I still like Android though. I have nothing against Android. Yeah, I even used to have my own like Android device. I had like a Samsung Galaxy tablet at some point, like way back when. So we were kind of an Android head ourselves at some point. But like now we are like iOS encoded. Yeah. I don't know, I think that's just because like I happen to have an iPhone right now. Yeah, so we just like build all this stuff for iPhones. Yeah, which mobile platform do you think is easier to develop for? That's a good question. It's like I've not built anything for Android yet. Like I think, although I've heard it's like not so bad for Android. Yeah, I guess it depends. Like I feel like it's probably like as maybe like hard for both like iOS and Android, but the thing is I think the Play Store has like less rules for like publishing apps. Yeah, like the App Store has all these like guidelines and stuff, but like I think the Play Store is much more like lenient. Yeah. So you might be able to like make an app but like not get it published in the App Store, whereas like Play Store I think it'll be easier. Yeah, so maybe like Android, but like not by much. Yeah, it's still kind of like hard style. Yeah, there's a lot of like different like phone sizes and like tablet sizes, even like in iOS and Android. Yeah, you gotta think about like lots of different like sizes and things. Yeah, but it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Yeah. But we definitely like our Android friends. I am not against Android at all. I had a lot of fun when I used to have my Android tablet. I think it's all old and crusty now. It's probably doesn't like turn on anymore. It's been some time. But like I used to like download like some fun apps because there were so many more apps on the Play Store, like some ones that like never got published on the App Store. Like literally you could download like Minecraft hacks on the, like Android tablets. Yeah. There were some like cracked like Minecraft clients, and you could like they were literally just like mobile apps on the Play Store, just like free Minecraft, which you can add like add-ons to. Yeah, I don't know, not to say that we did this. This I totally wouldn't do that. Yeah, but yeah, like stuff like that like is not on the App Store, so you can have a lot more fun with some wacky apps on Android. Yeah, we like this a lot. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know, I've mostly been using like iPhone and like even like iPod. I used to have like iPod Touch at one point. Yeah. That's mostly what I'm used to. But I remember the Android days. This was pretty nice. Yeah. But I don't know, maybe I do kind of want to build stuff for Android though. Yeah, I was thinking about like a way to do it. It's like the language I'm using right now, like the Swift, is kind of only for building iPhone and iPad apps. So like if you want to build an Android, you kind of have to learn like another language. Yeah. But like, at least for me, I feel like if I ever wanted to build stuff for Android, I would probably learn like Unity or something. I'd probably learn like Unity, because with Unity, you can build cross-platform apps. Yeah, you can have like one like C# code base and build to like iPhone and Android at the same time, which is like super cool, I think. Yeah, even though it's technically like non-native, it's like cross-platform style. I think it's still pretty good for like building games. Yeah, we still like this variety. Yeah. But yeah, I do want to learn like a game engine at some point. I've not really worked a whole lot with game engines. Yeah, like the Swift here, this is all raw. This is all raw Swift. This is like, yeah, and the mobile games that I build are all in like a framework called SpriteKit. It is the SpriteKit style. Yeah, which is pretty fun. I like using this framework. It's kind of older though. It's an older one now, but it's pretty good for like making the cool games. Yeah. We like this a lot. But yeah, maybe like, well, maybe probably pick up like a game engine at some point. Maybe like Unity or something. I've seen some friends do some other ones like Godot and like Unreal. These also look pretty fun. Yeah, they look pretty good. Yeah. But there are some pretty good games out there that are like written in like Unity and stuff. Yeah. I don't know, what are some ones that I'm thinking of? Yeah, there's this one game I used to play a lot. I guess I kind of still play a little bit, but I remember this one is a Unity mobile game. It's called Fern Flower. This one is super pretty. Actually. I love this game. It's a very cute one. Oh, so sorry for the ads, friends. Sorry for the ads. Yeah, we don't like the ads. Yeah. But this one is a Unity mobile game, and it's you play as this little like deer friend, and you like jump and collect all these little circles and flowers, and you can like buy skins with it too. Yeah. But this one's super cute, and I like the design and the aesthetic of it. Yeah, this is Unity game though. This is the Unity varieties. Yeah. But we like these ones, man. We like these ones. But yeah, it's very inspiring. If I ever want to like build something in Unity. Yeah. I think it would be pretty nice. Though. Yeah. Wait, my Cipher phone isn't aligned. Wait, we'll shrink this one. Well, let's move this friend inside. Yes. A little bit like this. Yeah. We've got our little Cipher phone back. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know, there's so many game engines out there. There's so many ones. Yeah, there's like Godot and Unreal and Unity, and like I've seen like some people build stuff in like Game Maker. Yeah, there was one, just like another friend I think yesterday on the stream mentioned that I'd like never seen before. It was called like Love 2D or something, like Love 2D game engine. I had like never even heard of this one before, but like apparently there's some like cool stuff built in this. There's some cool stuff built in like Love 2D game engine. Yeah. This one looks pretty nice. Yeah, this one is Lua actually. Yeah, so this is like, yeah, I've not seen a whole lot of stuff written in Lua, honestly. I am very new to like the Lua space. I think like the World of Warcraft plugins are built in Lua. Like the UI I think for that game is Lua. Like a lot of plugins I think are written in Lua, but like, yeah, I've not seen like game engines and stuff using it. So this is kind of cool to see. Yeah. And you can even download it for Mac. We like it, man. I'm using a Mac right now, so this is good for us. Yeah. We like our Macs, man. Yeah. But yeah, this is pretty good. We'll probably pick up Game Engine at some point. Yeah, make cool cross-platform game and share our mobile games with the Android friends. Yeah. I think this will be nice. Yeah. I don't know, I always get like intimidated though about like learning whole new like languages or like frameworks or like game engines and stuff, because like you kind of gotta like start from zero almost. You gotta like learn like the UI and like the syntax and stuff. Yeah, but I think it'll be good to pick up. Yeah. Also, welcome back from the ads, friends. Yeah, sorry for the ads. We don't like the ads. We don't like the ads around here. They are not very skibbity or PogChamp. Yeah, but yeah, there's some cool like Unity mobile games out there. There's some cool ones. I think like Hearthstone is like a Unity game if I remember right. Yeah, that one's a really nice one. Yeah, I used to play a bunch of like Hearthstone back in the day. It's pretty good. Yeah. It's tough to wrangle those ads, I must say. Yeah, yeah. We don't like the ads. They're so unpogchamp. They're very unskibbity. Yeah. It is what it is, though. Yeah, we don't like them though. They're very dink meme. They're super dink. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know. I don't know. We may try some game engine stuff at some point. Yeah. If we have to get over our fear of like learning new programs and game engines and stuff. Yeah, because technically I've never written like anything in a game engine before. Yeah, I think I've looked at Unity a little bit, but I've not actually like built anything in it. Yeah, I would like to learn one day though. Yeah, I mean I already know like I've done a lot of stuff in C# though before, and I think that's what they use for like building like the scripts in Unity. Like I think those are all like C# scripts, so maybe it won't be like so bad to pick up. Yeah. I'm always just kind of intimidated by like all like the buttons and the drop downs though. There's like a whole bunch of UI stuff in like the actual Unity program that's they gotta kind of like learn to work with. Yeah. But I don't think it'll be so bad. I don't think it'll be so bad. Yeah. I think that'll definitely help with like making the dev stuff faster, making like faster development. Yeah, because at least with Swift you kind of like gotta like put everything out in the code raw, like all of the UI you have to like code out. But I think in Unity it's a bit different where you can like drag and drop stuff and like make things pretty relative to each other. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. Yeah, actually that used to be the case in Swift. Yeah, so there's like new framework, Swift UI, which I guess is kind of like a couple years old at this point now. But like before Swift UI, there was like storyboards. There were storyboards in Swift. Now, let me see if I can show one. Yeah, this is going back, but this is kind of what I used to do all the time. I used to write stuff using these storyboard files. Yeah, and this one was like drag and drop UI. Yeah, so you have like your iPhone here, and then you can like drag and drop little components to it. Yeah. Like I think, yeah, you can put like labels on it. You can put little like labels on it, and you can do like buttons and things. Like you can do like a bunch of stuff with this, like storyboards and stuff. Yeah, and I think technically Apple like promotes this way of developing, like putting stuff down on this. Yeah, I think that was before Swift UI though. Now I think they're kind of pushing that more. Yeah, but I used to build all my apps doing stuff like this. Like dragging and dropping buttons down and like UI labels and stuff. Yeah, which was pretty fun. It was pretty good, but like it wasn't like as flexible as like as quick as Swift UI. Yeah. Also one thing about like the Swift UI things though is like you get previews. This is like one major benefit. Yeah. Let me see if I can find it. Let me see if I can find like a preview style. Yeah. Oh wait, I forgot. Wait, there's usually previews. Wait, we can show this. We can show this style. Yeah, like open preview Xcode Swift UI. Yeah, there's like shortcut. There's like shortcut for showing thing. Yeah, let's see this one. Yes. Oh yeah, here it is. Here it is. Yeah, so you get these like previews with Swift UI. Yeah, which is like super helpful, which wasn't the case before with like storyboards. You get like these little like kind of like pre UIs that you can see to like see all the changes that you're doing. Yeah. They're pretty nice. We can like swap them out for like different devices and stuff. Yeah. Let's see this one. Oh, it's Dink meme. Oh, maybe because I did like oh right, I had like a little memory error, I think, from some time ago. We were implementing like persistent storage in our apps, and I think it dinked me into some of them. Yeah. No wait, this one we have like little tabs here. We have the little tabs component. And maybe we'll get like settings view too. Let's check out our settings view. Yeah. Yeah, so we can see this. We can see like little previews on the side here. It's like if we change like anything, like if we change like support text or something, or like, I don't know, the privacy policy text. We change this to like privacy policy, and then we put like, I don't know, like a bunch of twos after it. It like instantly updates. And we can see all of our changes like real time. Yeah, so this was like not the case before in storyboard world. Yeah, which is like pretty nice. It's super nice actually. Yeah. With storyboard, at least you could like drag and drop stuff. Like every time you wanted to like test out your changes, you had to like rebuild the entire app. Yeah. So it was a bit slower for like development. I guess each one has its like pros and cons. Yeah, they're pretty nice. They're pretty good. Yeah. But it's been a minute since I've built stuff using the storyboard styles. Yeah. I think that was my first app I published though. We built it all in like storyboards and stuff. Yeah, it was pretty nice. And then we learned like SwiftUI. We learned SwiftUI. And this is also pretty good. Yeah. Let's see. Let's do some text alignments and stuff. Yeah. What have we got going on? What goodies have we got to uncover? Yeah. Yeah, this is mostly looking good. The only thing is like the red bar is like sometimes like bigger or smaller than the blue one. We have to see how to like align these ones to look nice and pretty style. Yeah, let's check it out. Let's do like dot frame somewhere. Let's do like dot frame in some places. Yeah, let's see what we can do. Yeah, I think that is the way to go. Yeah. But yeah, I guess I'm still newer to SwiftUI. I only started picking it up like maybe like, I don't know, like 2023 I think it was. Yeah, I think that's when we started this. That's when we started SwiftUI. Yeah. Which I don't know, I guess that is kind of in some time now. Like comparatively, like we did stuff in UI kits. We did stuff in this framework for like many years before that. Yeah. So we're still on the learning journey. Yeah. I'm ready though. I'm ready. We are getting better, I think, at SwiftUI. Yeah, it's pretty nice though. It's pretty good. Yeah. I think some universities and stuff teach like iOS development. They teach you how to like build iPhone apps and stuff. And I think a lot of them switch their like coursework over to like SwiftUI. Yeah, that's kind of like the next big thing that Apple's supporting. Yeah, that'll be like the long-term support and stuff. Yeah. So it's good to like brush up on the new skills. Although that's definitely tech though, right? That's like stuff is always changing constantly. Stuff is always changing super quickly. Yeah. It's like sometimes they'll like deprecate a language and you gotta like learn a whole new one and stuff. Yeah, it is the ultimately infinitely evolving landscape of the techs. Yeah. But we try and stay on top of some of the things. Yeah. Let's see. Let's do some like frame stuff. Let's do some frame stuff and see if we can get our boxes to be the nice same size. Yeah. Let's check it out. Yeah. Oh, hello. Hey there, Lunis. Hey, Candy Bush. Welcome, friend. Welcome. How are you there? Hope your day is going well, Lunis. Thank you very well. Thank you very much. I hope your day is also going very well, Candy Bush. Yeah, we're doing super well. We're building Sigma Gigachad app. Yeah, it's been a minute, but I hope you're doing super well. Yeah, we are on our Sigma grind set journey to build some cool skibbity things. Yeah. I cannot wait to learn how to become extra Sigma and Skibbity and PogChamp. Yeah. Yeah. Actually, we've been doing a lot of like Yippee things. We've been doing a lot of like Yippee things with our other app. Yeah. We're actually almost ready for an update in that one. Well, let me share this one too. Let's also share Yippee app. Yeah. We are a big fan of all things Yippee. All things Yippee encoded. But yeah, I hope you're doing super awesome, friend. We are doing super good too. Yeah, we've been playing a lot of games too recently. A lot of like new games I've not tried out before. Like I was doing some horror games and stuff too. We were doing like Resident Evil like this week. I was kind of extra spooked actually. We were mega spooked. Yeah. The old boy has to look for now. Good luck gigifying the Chad. Yeah. Thanks for the raid, the ancient goals, and thank you for the lurk. We will become extra Sigma and Chad. Yes. At least we'll try. We'll try and do this. Yeah. Thank you very much, friend. Yeah. Oh, we like our yippy creatures though. We love our little yippy creatures. Oh yeah, let's show yippy creatures and stuff. Let's show our yippy creatures. Yeah, no problem. Bye for now. Yeah, thank you for stopping by, friend. Thank you for stopping by. Have a good one. Have a good one. Yeah. This is definitely good. We like this. We like this varieties. Well, yeah. We got our yippies. We got our cool yippie friends. Our cool yippie creatures. But yeah, we've been doing a lot of this recently. We've been doing a lot of like yippie dev style. Yeah. We upgraded our backgrounds. We upgraded our backgrounds to like nice fancy ones with like castles and stuff. Yeah, and they all like scroll kind of pretty style. I like this mode. We have like layers to our backgrounds and they all scroll at like different speeds, so it looks extra pretty. But yeah, that's kind of what we've been up to. We've been up to this. Yeah, I'll probably end up coming out with an update for the Yippee game like super soon, because like this code is already like pretty much done. Yeah, it is almost there, man. It is almost there. Yeah. But that is kind of what we're up to. That's kind of what we're up to. Yeah, but it's been a minute since we worked like on our Sigma app. We also have this Gigachad Sigma app. Now we also have this one we have not published yet. But I think that's like our next step in the journey. Yeah. Oh, we'll move this one over here. Yeah. We are very close to getting extra Sigma PogChamp style. Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. Let's become Super Sigma. Let's become one with our Sigma nature. Yeah. I don't know. We'll try at least. We'll try. Yeah. But it is Gigariz. It is Gigariz. It is Gigachad and also Sigma, all combined into a nice little app style. Yeah. But that is also what we've been doing. But it's definitely been a minute since we've built this one. Yeah. Let's see what we got going on though. Yeah, we still got this with like the weird wacky modes. We got the color. We got to get the colors to align. Yeah, let's try and fix this one. Yeah, that is our current journey. Let's see what we got. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it. But we are on our journey to become Sigma and Gigachad through building Sigma Gigachad app. Yeah. We still must learn the way. It's actually funny, like once I started building this app, like right before I started building this app, I watched this one video that was learn how to become Sigma, because we wanted to get some ideas for our app. We wanted to get some inspiration for what should we include in our Sigma app. And this guy was talking about oh, you gotta be extra Riz and you gotta be like a lone wolf or something. It was kind of dank meme. It was kind of extra dank meme. I don't know, let me see if I can find that video. It was just I remember this was super dank meme. It was kind of almost like brain rotty. It was well, let's see, it's even more than alpha Sigma style. Let me see if I can find this video. Oh yeah, I think I found it. I found the guy. Oh yeah, we found it. I watched this one, man. Oh, that's super loud. Wait, we'll make this one go down, and we'll show this friend. Oh my gosh, this is such a brain rot video. But we watched this one. That's right before we started building the Sigma app. We watched this. 15 signs that you are a Sigma male, super rare. And is it better than alpha? So this was our inspiration.
Now there's a Sigma? What the is Sigma? What's up, gentlemen? So today we are talking about the newest addition to the social hierarchy pyramid, which is the elusive Sigma male. Am I really?
Oh my gosh! And he gives a bunch of advice on how to become Sigma.
Style. Gentlemen, people form opinions about
you. Yeah, traits.
This theme is all about respecting yourself and not doing stupid shit and putting yourself in compromising positions.
Yes, we must learn to respect. Mega respect.
Today's climate and world is that
yeah, he was talking about stuff like becoming lone wolf and Sigma style.
People are gonna be different. It doesn't matter what they do. It doesn't matter how they live their life or how they choose to live their
We
life.
must go our
Respect.
own
It is critical
direction,
that you
man.
respect others even if they're different. Why do you care where somebody sticks their dick as long as it's not in
Bro,
your face?
okay. Yeah, that's sussy mode. That's sussy mode. But yeah, we watched this. We watched this in preparation for becoming Sigma, man. We watched that. Yeah, sorry, that was like brain rot. That was like brain rot. But yeah, basically, this is our inspiration, man. This is our inspiration for building Sigma apps and stuff. Yes, we must learn what it truly takes to become Sigma and Gigachad. Yes, we must learn from the Sigma expert. Yeah, I don't know, man. Is there such thing? Is he memeing? Does he know what he's talking about? We trust him. He sounds pretty credible. He's got the cool leather jacket, man. That's pretty Sigma. I think he's an expert in Sigma-ness. Yeah, but this gives us ideas for like what Sigma things to include in our app. Yeah, that was our research. Yes. But it was pretty dank meme. It was extra dank meme actually though. Yeah. But we have like features for like Riz and pickup lines. A little bit inspired by this. Yeah. Let's see. Let's fix our pickup line stuff, our history view and our pickup line stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, I forgot. I was making this like this was an app where I was like testing out subscriptions. Yeah, I've not like tried that in one of my apps before. But like a lot of these apps will have like these paid subscriptions and stuff. Like, oh, you gotta pay like a month or like yearly sub to use some premium features. I'm gonna like try and do that with the Sigma app. Yeah, I don't know if it'll actually be worth it, but like at least just to like know how to do it for like future apps and stuff. But we have this in our app actually. We have this like purchase subscription thing, and we can have like little monthly and annual stuff for this. Yeah. Honestly though, I don't think it'll be worth it. So, but I think it's like it's good to see how it's like implemented from the code if I ever want to do it for realsies. Yeah. But like at least for this, it was pretty easy to implement. So we're using like this one like tool called Revenue Cat. So it lets us put this like UI in here like all out of the box. Like I didn't even have to code any of this like any of the text here. It just like plug and play. Yeah, it's pretty nice. It's pretty nice for like subscriptions. Like a lot of apps use that service for like their in-app subscriptions and stuff. Yeah, but we'll try this. It's kind of like, yeah, a lot of the apps I build are kind of just to learn how to do things, learn how to like build different features and stuff. Yeah, and then like we combine these in our future apps. Yeah. We combine all the features that we learn from older apps into newer ones, and then we get even better apps. It just like, it all like builds on top of each other over time. Yeah, I think this is a good way. This is a good strat for the programming stuff in general. Yeah, just like building the things and trying out new things. Yeah. I think it's good style. Yeah. Let's see though. Let's do some width stuff. Yeah, this is mostly kind of what I want. I want like the old and the new kind of underlined part to be like right on top of each other. Yeah, before it was all kind of skewed mode. Let's see if we can get all the colors to be all the same width. Like the red and the blue kind of like touch at the right side. Yeah. Let's see if we can do this one. Yeah. Let's go, this is scroll view mode, so we can scroll and stuff. Yeah, that's one thing that we like about this. We like scrolling. And hiding stuff that is not available on the screen and off screen. Yes, it's very nice in SwiftUI, the scroll views. In SwiftUI, you just put scroll view around like your content and it does it. But like back in like storyboard mode, like this mode, when you had like these kind of UIs where you like built all the stuff on like this kind of screen, imagine scrolling on this. It was very hard to like implement. You have to do like weird scrolling things. You have to put like a scroll view on top of this thing and like make sure it's like the same size as everything. And then you had to put like views on top of this one. Yeah. You made like your own sandwich, man. You made your own sandwich of views and stuff. But it was like super dank meme. It was super dank meme. Yeah, and you have to like constrain it in the right way and stuff. Yeah, I know, that was kind of harder. SwiftUI made it so much easier. Yeah, we like this style a lot. We like this style a lot. But yeah, we remember this. We remember the scroll views and storyboard mode. Yeah. This was dank meme. This was dank meme. But we have this now. We have this now. Yeah, it is much more PogChamp. Yeah. Well, let's see what we can do. Let's fix our width of our stuff. Yeah, let's do it, man. Let's do it. So I think what we'll want to do is, yeah, we tried putting frame on this one. It didn't work out, and I think also on here it wasn't doing it. Yeah, maybe we'll do, let's think. So where is our color coming from? It's coming from here. So maybe we should put the frame thing on this one. Yeah, maybe this is the way to go. Yeah. Let's check it out. Oh wait, now it's all wacky mode. Wait, now it's all kind of wacky mode. Wait, what if we take out the height thing from here? What if we take out the height constraint? It might be better. Yeah, let's see. Oh no, it's still kind of like, it's still kind of off-centered. Yeah. I wonder why this is. Maybe we can group stuff. Maybe if we put it all in group and put frame on group. Let's see. There's like different strats we can go about it. Yeah. Let's check it out. Let's check out the things. We'll put a group here, and maybe we'll put the width thing here. Yeah. Oh, actually, there's something else that's overriding it, I think. Is it the text width? It might be the text width, maybe. Yeah, maybe what if we put this here? Let's just like spam the frame thing everywhere and see what we get. Oh wait, I think that caused stuff to go off screen. Oh wait a minute. Wait a skibbity moment. Yeah, I think stuff is going off screen when we do that. Although it's like the nice width that we want now. Yeah, it's working, but it's not. It's doing some things. Oh yeah, see there's like slight like off center. Do you have like padding on one of them? I feel like we have padding on one and not the other one or something. Yeah. Yeah, see the red one is like slightly bigger. Why is this? Let's see. So the red one is like new. We have frame thing, underline, leading style. Yeah. I don't think there's like much difference between these ones. Yeah. Let's take out the group thing. Let's take out group thing. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of wacky mode. Yeah. I do kind of want to, maybe there's like a better way to go about this. There's a better way to go about it. Yeah. Let's see then. I think it's totally determined by like the length of the text. Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. So maybe there's a property we can put on this, like text. We have this already on leading alignment. What if we put this also on the H stack? Like alignment, we can do dot like center, maybe. Yes. This could be the strat. Let's take a look. It is all about experimentations and stuff. Yeah. Actually, I didn't think that was it. Yeah. But it's looking pretty good for the most part. It's looking pretty good. I don't know, the main goal was to make these little corners rounded. Just to make the little corners all rounded. That was kind of our main goal. This is kind of a stretch goal. We have like little small snippets, small tidbits that we have. Little micro goals. Yeah. What else do we have? Yeah, maybe we can come back to this one. Yeah. It's kind of one of those like UI bugs. Because the thing about Swift UI, even though it makes everything so much quicker to develop, it's so much easier to like develop with Swift UI because you can just like put down whatever your code is and it like shows up in this cool preview here, and it's like super fast development style. Yeah. The one thing about it though is like all of the components under the hood, if you go in like the source code of this, if you go in the source code of like these ones, they're actually UI components, like UI kit components underneath. Yeah, like I believe so. Like content, I think these all kind of like take after the UI kit stuff. Yeah, it is kind of like this. It is kind of like this. So there's less flexibility with them because of that. They're like abstractions on top of older UI framework. Yeah. Which I guess is alright. Yeah. I think there are ways to like do UI kit stuff in Swift UI. You can do backwards compatibility using something called a UI view representable. You can make this object and then you can embed like stuff from UIKit framework inside Swift UI app. Yeah, it is like the mixing and the matching. Yeah, which sometimes I have to do for like special buttons and stuff. Yeah. It's kind of interesting that way. Yeah, I wonder how it is with like game engines though. I feel like you don't have to deal with like mixing and matching of frameworks and components. Yeah, that's kind of also why I want to learn a game engine. I feel like it could also be easier for like making apps, maybe. This could be the way. Yeah. I don't know, another thing about game engines though that I really like is you can publish to like so many more platforms. Like not even just mobile, you can make like code and publish to like Nintendo Switch or something, or like PlayStation. Like you can publish to consoles. This is super cool. And like I know like Unity allows for that, like Unreal, like I'm sure a lot of the other engines do. Yeah, but I always found that interesting. Like how would you even like make a console game? Yeah, I felt like, oh, maybe only like Nintendo has the power to do that or something. But like the actual like stuff for building like Switch games, I think is like open source or something, or at least like you can build stuff for that like in Unity and stuff. Yeah, it seems pretty good this way. Yeah. I think so. Wait, let me check. I think I'm right about that. Like you can make Switch games in Unity. Wait, let's check this. I think I remember this. Oh yeah, you totally can. Wait a minute. This is super cool actually. This is mega cool. Yeah. Developing games for Nintendo Switch, man. Oh my. Imagine becoming like the console dev, man. That would be cool. I don't even know how that would work though. In terms of like testing your stuff. Like how could you you'd need like a blank like cartridge or something to test on, maybe? I don't know. Unity reputation hasn't recovered. Oh no. Also welcome Dolphin Verb. Yeah, I remember like wasn't there that whole controversy with them about like increasing like the amount of like revenue Unity takes from like certain like games or something? Yeah, I always found that pretty weird, like a game engine like taking revenue from like the developer, because like you don't really think about like what you're building it in. Like for me, I'm building stuff in Xcode, and like, you know, other friends might be building stuff in Unity or Unreal, but like the actual thing that you program in taking like revenue is kind of dank meme. But I think I remember that being the case that one time. Yeah, wait, let me see if I can find that one. If we can find what that was. I think that was like a couple years back, like Unity taking revenue from like developers. I think so. I think this was the case. This is kind of dank meme. Oh yeah, runtime fee. Oh, this is so dank actually. Yeah, this was the one. They were charging like per install. That's so dank actually. Yeah, Unity initially introduced a runtime fee. Oh, it was January of last year. Oh, it wasn't even that far away. Yeah, so it charged developers per game install after reaching certain revenue and install thresholds, but they canceled it. Yeah, but that was what they were planning, right? They were like, okay, if your game makes a bunch of money, we're gonna start taking some of that money, which is like that's like I don't know, that's punishing success. It's like, oh man, I really don't want like I don't want to build something in Unity now because like if it pops off, then like we're gonna get our monies yoinked. Yeah. At least they canceled it though. They took the feedback from the devs. But like, yeah, that is kind of dank meme to their reputation. Yeah, unfortunate, man. Yeah. Because they could totally just bring this back at any time. Yeah, I feel like if they get desperate enough, they would do it. Yeah, like if they start like losing lots of money or like the shareholders get upset, then they might like do something like that. Yeah. Which is kind of dank. This is kind of dank meme. Yeah. But I remember this. I remember this. Yeah. Because even like for me, I'm like in the market to learn a game engine. Like I kind of want to learn a game engine. So I'm looking at all this stuff and I'm like, oh, should I really choose to invest time into learning like Unity or something if they can do that? Yeah. Because that's the thing, right? Once you learn a game engine, you're kind of like locked in, like brain-wise, because all of your knowledge is now in the game engine. Like, oh, I know how all the buttons and the drop downs work in Unity, like how the scripts and stuff work. So it's like a big time investment. You want to make sure like you're not like beholden to like the company doing weird things. Yeah. I don't know, but maybe it's all right. Maybe it's all right. At least they canceled it. At least they didn't go through with that. Yeah. This is pretty cool though. You can build stuff for like Switch and Unity. This is pretty nice. Yeah. I don't know how it works in terms of like testing though. Like would you need your own like is there like an empty like Switch cartridge or something? Maybe something like this. Minecraft has its own engine? Oh, does it, Dolphinburb? I didn't know this actually. I didn't know this. I know they built stuff in Java, but they have their own like engine too. That's super cool. Or like for the there's like multiple Minecrafts. Maybe for like the Bedrock one. Yeah. Maybe this could be the way. It struggles to render flatly lit squares. Oh no, this is no good. Well, I have not heard of this, like Minecraft game engine style. Minecraft game engine? That's interesting. Yeah. I have not heard of this one. Yeah, Minecraft is its own engine? Wait, I'm seeing this. I'm seeing this one. Yeah. Wait a minute, this is kind of interesting style. Yeah, Minecraft has its own engine, but then they say it uses like a wiki. I've not heard of this. Wait, what is this? What is this, man? Oh no, it's LLWJGL, lightweight Java game library. This is new. I've not seen this. This is kind of alright. Okay, I didn't know they used like a game engine. I feel like they didn't originally. Because like originally it was built by like Notch and like Jeb and those guys. But I feel like they built it in like raw Java, I think. They probably maybe switched over at some point. Yeah. That's pretty neat though. Yeah, I used to build like Minecraft plugins in Java. This was fun. That was probably like my first ever like solo programming project experience, was like the Minecraft plugins in Java using like buckets and Spigot. This is fun, man. Wait, this is super fun. Wait, let's show like Spigot, man. Holy moly, this is going back in the day. This is going back when I was first learning how to program. Yeah. My first ever language that I learned was Java. And so like with the Java knowledge, you can build Minecraft plugins. Yeah. Oh, we found Spigot. We found all the plugins, man. We found the Spigots. The Minecraft plugin world. Oh my gosh, this is memory lane. Yeah, Notch's engine was actually pretty bad, so Minecraft had to do something. Yeah, I bet. Yeah, I feel like if you're like a solo dev, it's kind of hard. It's kind of hard to make a good like engine or something. A good way to write this stuff. Yeah. It kind of be like this. Yeah, I'm surprised they like kicked Notch out though. I don't know, I heard he said a bunch of like sussy things on the Twitter, so like Like after Microsoft bought Mojang, they like kicked him out at some point. Yeah. I wonder if he still would have liked to work on Minecraft, maybe. He's got enough money to probably not care about it, though. Yeah. Microsoft looking at the engine after buying it. Yeah. Oh, okay, interesting. I see. Yeah. I know, I always heard, like, when Microsoft took over Minecraft, a lot of people were worried they would, like, ruin Minecraft. Yeah. I don't know, to some extent, well, they took out, like, the cool PvPs. There used to be, like, once they added, like, shields in Minecraft, it made the PvP and the fighting a lot slower. I think, like, when Microsoft took over, they did that. Yeah, although, other than that, I think a lot of the features have been pretty nice. They've added some cool stuff, like the Deep Dark, man. The Deep Dark in Minecraft, this is spooky. The Deep Darks and the Warden and stuff. This is extra cool, man. I love this biome. It is super creepy and also cool. Yeah, I'm okay with this. Yeah, Microsoft they've been kind of popping off with the Minecraft updates recently. Yeah, they've been adding some good stuff. And the caves and cliffs too, I like a lot. Caves and cliffs in the Minecrafts, with all the pretty biomes and the cool cave generations. Yeah, look at that, man. This is so much more interesting than, like, the old caves, which was just, like, one long hole in the ground. And now you've got all these, like, caverns and stuff. All these caverns that can, like, go from, like the ground level height to, like, bedrock, which is kind of insane. You can, like, accidentally trip in a hole and fall, like, for, like 20 seconds. It's kind of wild. Yes, we like this, man. We like this a lot. Yeah. I don't know, what's, like, the update they're adding recently? Oh yeah, we were looking at this the other day. I think we saw this, like, the Happy Ghast in Minecraft. This is one they're adding pretty soon. Yeah, like, the little ghast friend, they're adding a new mob. They're adding a little new mob. So there's, like, these new, like dried ghast blocks that you'll be able to find in the nether, and you can put water on them and they'll transform into this little creature, and you can feed it snowballs and then tame it and ride it. Yeah, this will be super nice. I cannot wait for this, man. I cannot wait for this, but I love this update. Yeah, this will make for some cool mini games. Like, I can imagine, like, on all the multiplayer servers, like everyone riding their own Happy Ghast and, like, racing and stuff, or, like, fighting on the ghasts. That'd be super cool. Cool. Yeah. I don't know, man. I'm a mega Minecraft fan. I'm like a super mega Minecraft fan. We've been playing Minecraft for a while, man. Yeah. I don't know. Maybe I'll show my favorite mod. Pixelmon, man. I love Pixelmon. I love Pokemon. I love Minecraft. I love Pixelmon. It combines both of these. This is super awesome, man. You can go to, like, they even have, like, in Pixelmon, like, you can go to Ultra Space. Yeah, you can literally, like, spawn portals and go to new dimensions in Pixelmon. It is super cool, man. It is super cool. Like, if you get the Pokemon that can spawn the wormholes, which is like Lunala and Solgaleo, like these ones, they can do the Ultra Space mode and spawn the portals, and you can go to the portal world. Yeah, this is super good. Yeah, we like this a lot. And there's, like, different dimensions too. There's different dimensions in here. Yeah. It's funny seeing a low-level head start with making an engine on their game dev journey. Yeah, I feel like it's super hard. I feel like that would be super hard. Yeah, I could not. I usually just, like, take whatever's out there and we use that. Yeah, but, like, making your own game engine for, like, a game is kind of insane. That's kind of wild. I mean, I guess if your game is, like, very high performant or something, like, you have, like, mega graphics in there, then you probably need to make your own game engine. If it's, like, custom graphics or something. Yeah, like, certain, like, pixels, or, like I know some of the games out there are kind of like where they'll have, like, 2D sprites, but, like, in a 3D world, or like vice versa. Like, sometimes stuff like that you'll need your own engine for. Yeah, but I don't know. I usually only see it with, like, massive companies. They'll do that. Yeah, they'll have, like specialized, like, graphic I don't know, computer graphics engineers and stuff, and they'll do their magic in making the cool graphic game engines and stuff. Yeah, this is kind of insane, though. It's kind of very insane. Yeah. We like it though. We like it though. It makes for some good games. It makes for some good games and high performant games. Yeah, because sometimes if you try and like build something using an engine and it doesn't really support it, then you'll end up having to like work around stuff and make things slower, or like the code will be kind of wacky mode. Yeah, sometimes it is just better to like write your own stuff. Yeah, if you have like the time and the skill and the resource. Yeah. Well, we like this a lot. We like this a lot. Yeah, I'm such a mega fan of Pixelmon, man. I am like massive Pixelmon fan. I used to play on this one server like a bunch, man. And like we had like a whole like competitive team and stuff. It was super fun. It was super fun actually though. Yeah, when the game has more games inside. Oh, that's also good. I also like that too. When you have like many games inside the game. This is mega good. This is mega good. Actually, it's kind of funny you mentioned that, because there's actually some like some mobile game like companies will use this as kind of like a cheeky way to advertise. Yeah, they'll like they'll make an ad out of the mini game and show that on YouTube instead of like the actual game itself. But it kind of works. It's kind of cheeky though. It's kind of cheeky. Yeah, UFO 50 style. Oh, is this like? Wait, is this also kind of mini game inside game style? Wait, I have not heard of this one. I've not heard of the UFO 50s. Well, let's check it out. Let's check it out. Yeah, is this good game? Is this cool? Good game? Wait a minute. Wait a sec. Wait a skibbity moment. Yeah, UFO 50 game. Oh wait, can you like collect things in this? Wait, what is this? I love games where you can like collect things. Yes, we like having large collections of things. Oh wait, this looks fun. Oh, this is like cool platformer. Oh, we like the platformers. We love the platformers. Yeah, this is very nice. This is very nice. So this one has like mini games in this one. Oh, it's 50 games but in one game. Oh, I see. Oh, that's super cool actually. Wait, what the heck? Wait, that's super cool. Wait, I love that idea. Oh, that's why they call it 50 then. Oh, it's 50 games. Oh, that's super cool. Wait, what the heck? Wait, what the heck? That's awesome. That is awesome, man. We like this, man. Hey, let's check out the games they have then. Let's check out. We might like this, man. We might like this. This is infinite fun in one game. Where like infinite. Can I even call it one game then? Can I even call it one game? Maybe not. Maybe not. Yeah. Wait, $7. Wait a minute. Oh wait, no, that's the soundtrack. At $25, that's still pretty good though. If you're getting 50 games with that, that's a bargain, man. That's a bargain. Yeah, that's super awesome. That's nice. That's nice. Yeah. Oh, we love the platformers though. We love the platformers a lot. Yeah. Oh wow, that's pretty nice. I love this pixel art style. Yeah, I was actually thinking on making my own platformer. Like, I have the Yippee game, but I was thinking on making one with like my little mascot friend Aura. My little Aura mascot friend. She's awesome. She's awesome and cool. Like this little fox friend. I was thinking on making my own platformer with her as like the main character. Yeah. But like I was looking at other games, like I think yesterday for like inspiration on like how we should design it. But these are pretty good inspirations actually. Like this one especially, I like this one a lot. Like that'll be kind of like how I want to design the new mobile game that we're planning. Yeah, with all of these features and stuff, like the little like tiles and platforms we can jump on, and little attacks that we'll have to like run through and things. Yeah, I think something like this will be super good. But yeah, this is a cool game. Yeah, thanks for sharing this, Dolphin Burp. We have infinite games in one game. This is definitely the way. This is definitely the way. Yeah, I remember. This reminds me. I remember back when I was like super young. When I was super young, I used to go to like daycare. I used to go to daycare, and we had a lot of friends who played like Pokemon and stuff. And one of my friends had this one little cartridge that he would stick in his like Game Boy, and it would like unlock like 1,000 games. It was like, I don't know, it was almost, I don't even know if this was legal, but like he had like a bunch of like these games on this like special cartridge that he would stick in the back, and like sometimes he would let me play it, and we would play like some pinball games on his like spec'd out Game Boy. It was kind of insane. I don't know, maybe his dad was like, he knew the way, man. He knew the secret ways. But yeah, I've seen these type of games which have like many games inside the game. Yeah, we like this a lot. This is extra fun, man. This is like infinite fun. Yeah. We remember this. We remember this fondly. Yeah. But yeah, I do kind of want to build a platformer like this. Yeah, like my Yippee game, like that you see in the top right, that's kind of my first ever platformer that I built. It's pretty simple and stuff. Yeah, but we can probably, now that we know how to do things, we can probably make like a new one that's like more complex with more cool features. Yeah. So like, I don't know, like we can have like levels and stuff. We can have like levels and things, I think. Yeah. This will be super good, but it'll all be based off of our little friend Aura. Our little fox friend Aura here. Yeah. But yeah, I was actually starting to like design that game yesterday. Maybe we'll show what progress we made. Yeah, we made some progress in our game design. We put everything in like a document. We put everything in here. Because we need some like ideas for like how we want to design the game. Yeah, this is what we have. I'm planning on calling it the Aura's Rush. This will be the name of our new like platformer mobile game style. Yeah, I think this will be good. But you'll be able to play as like our little mascot friend. It'll be like landscape platformer style. We'll do like pixel art and stuff with like tiles and animated tiles and things. Yeah, but we were getting some inspiration. Yeah, I think there was a friend yesterday who shared this one. It was a Copy Kitty platformer game. This one looks pretty good. Yeah, I get like a lot of inspiration from this one, where there'll be like the tiles you can jump on and stuff, and like levels and enemies and things. I think we'll totally build something like this. And I want these like virus enemies too in this game. Yeah. So like the lore with Aura and like me is like we go to the code worlds. We go to the code worlds and defeat all the viruses and explore them. Yeah, but I think we'll have like these kind of virus enemies in our game, kind of like this. They'll look like the Space Invader ones. I love the Space Invader design, but we can do something like this. We can do something like this, but like not the same, but like similar style. But I think that'll be like our next like mobile game that we make. Yeah. Oh yeah, and then Aura will be able to shoot like fire blasts, like Ryu, like fire blast, mega blast mode style. Yeah. I look forward to this. I look forward to this. I think it'll be pretty good. Yeah. But yeah, these are kind of what the ideas that I have for the mobile game design stuff. Yeah, we'll try this. We'll try this. But yeah, we started the design yesterday. Actually, I started this design yesterday, so like this is pretty fresh off the bat, man. This is pretty fresh off the bat. Yeah, but we'll like flesh it out, man. We'll flesh out the features and the things we'll want in it, and this'll like put us in a good spot to like get some art for it, to get some cool pretty arts. Yeah. I cannot wait. Yeah. But I think it is time. It is time to start a new mobile game or mobile app series. Yeah, I think definitely this is definitely the way. Yeah. Because we've been working on our Yippee game for a while. We have like so many updates, and I'll still support it too. We'll still support our Yippee game, but like, yeah, I think we can add some more mobile games to our collection. I think, yeah, this will be super good. Oh yeah, this is Yippee game. This is Yippee game style. Yeah. I forgot, but we have this. But we've been doing updates. Oh, I put this here. We've been doing updates to this mobile game. Yeah, I'm actually almost ready for like a new update. I'm almost ready to come out with new update. We'll probably do it within like the next week or two. But like for like the backgrounds, we'll like refresh our backgrounds. It'll be super good, I think. It'll be mega good, actually. Yeah. I cannot wait, man. It's been like 3 months since I've done an update to this game. I feel kind of guilty about it. Like the last update was the Christmas update. Although we did the Christmas update in January. Well, let's show this. I literally we put out the Christmas update in like the first week of January. We're kind of a bit late to the curve like that. But like it's alright. It's fine. It is totally good. Yeah. But we did this. It has been a minute, man. It has been a minute. Yeah, this is our Adventures of Yippee game. But like, I think our last update was like, yeah, like January 3rd. It's totally been a minute. Yeah, we did like winter Christmassy update. Yeah, actually it was originally supposed to be a Christmas update, and we added like the little Santa hat, like all of the little hats that Yippee can wear, and like new winter background and stuff. And it was gonna be Christmas updates, but then we came out in January, so I called it winter. We totally saved face like this. Yes, it's now the winter update. Yes, even though it was like originally Christmas. Yeah, but we'll do another one. We'll do another update for like the backgrounds, and we'll get cool mega backgrounds. Yeah, I cannot wait. I think it'll be pretty good. But yeah, new things on the horizon, man. New things are coming. Yes, this will be mega good. This will be mega good. Yeah. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. But yeah, we're also working on our Sigma app, our Sigma Gigachad app. Yeah. This one is one that I've been putting on like hiatus for a while. We've been like not really working on this for like a while. Yeah. We have other app also. We have other app. Oh yeah, wait, we'll show this too. We'll show this friend. Yeah. But we have this. It's not so bad. It's pretty good style. It's pretty good. But yeah, it's definitely been a minute since we worked on it. We've been like prioritizing our Yippee game for the most part. Yeah. I don't know. I've been enjoying making like mobile games a lot more though. Yeah, honestly, so I call myself like a mobile dev, right? But like I've been pretty much only making like mobile games. So I feel more like a game dev really. Yeah. But making mobile games is super fun. I like playing with the characters and making enemies and having them fight each other and cool backgrounds and stuff. Yeah. But this was the one that we've been working on. Like now, like we're doing Gigariz. It's not a game, but it's like kind of like a Sigma toolkit. It is the way to become Sigma and Gigachad through the power of Sigma, Riz, and nature. Yeah, I don't know. It's pretty brain rot. Yes, it is an app based around like Gigachad. Yeah. And we have our Gigachad features, like generating pickup lines. Like we can turn anything into a pickup line. Yeah. Do you have non-game mobile apps that you like a lot? I'm thinking about it. I mean, like most of the stuff that I've built have been like mobile games, honestly. Like I don't even know how many non-mobile games I've actually been built. Yeah, which there's some in here, I think. This was the first app I built on stream. This was I'm about to come to-do list. This is like extra sussy mode. This was back when we had like a very like crude sense of humor. I don't know, maybe not a lot of this has gone away though. But I did this. This was like I'm about to come meme, but like as to-do list. Yeah, I don't know. If you're into dank memes and brain rots, this might be funny, but like, yeah, we had this, and it was like a to-do list app. It's like to-do list app, like go to the store. But we have like this dreamy bowl guy. Yeah. I don't know. I built this like back when I literally started streaming, which was like I don't know, like November of like 23. Yeah, something like this. But we built this one on stream. I don't know, is this my favorite one though? I don't think so. It's alright. It's a to-do list app with Dreamy Bolt and I'm about to come. Yeah, it's dank meme. It is extra dank meme. Let's see what other apps we've built. Yeah, I built this one a while ago. Actually I built this one before I started streaming. This was like back in like, oh, this was super early on. Maybe like in 2021 I built this one. But this is a, like, I guess it technically is a game, but it's not really like a platformer game. Yeah, but it's like, it's a quiz on like what is Jeff's name? My name Jeff meme. It's like the meme My Name Jeff, but as like a quiz app. So you gotta figure out what Jeff's name is. And there's all these answers, like Jeff, and like 9 plus 10 and stuff. Yeah, I don't know. It's mega brain rot. I've been building like brain rot stuff for like a while. Yeah, my humor has not really changed. It's like devolved actually, I think. It has gotten worse. Yeah. I don't know. I guess that's technically a game though. I guess maybe to like answer that, maybe my favorite app is like one that I actually use. So like on my, it's not on my simulator here. Like we'll show simulator friend again. Well, we'll show this the simulator style, like this one. But actually there's another app that I've not shown on here that I actually use quite a bit in like my day-to-day life. So like I built myself like this to-do list app actually. Like this one is based off of one that I actually use myself. It's like I built a to-do list app like a while back, like a while back, and it's basically like this where you have like a table view here, and all these rows and stuff, and you have like little timers, and it'll give you like a push notification when the date like happens. Yeah, so I basically made myself my own to-do list of like all these items that I need to do, and I use this on my actual phone like every day. Yeah, so we do this. That's probably my favorite app. Yeah. But imagine like this app, but without like Dreamable in here. Imagine without like the Ambatukam faces. Yeah, it's dank meme though. It's dank meme. Yeah, but yeah, I built myself my own to-do list app for like things. Yeah, because before I was just like sticking a bunch of sticky notes on my desk, and it got kind of cluttered. And I still do that honestly, like, but it's less now. It's less because we put some of them in the to-do list app. Yeah, so we mitigated our problem a little bit. Yeah. But yeah, I don't know, maybe that's probably my favorite one. Yeah, because I actually use it. Yeah. But we like this a lot. Yeah. What else? What else is there? Well, yeah, let's check out our Sigma app. I think we made some good progress and stuff. We made some good progress. We did like small change. We did a mega small change. Yeah. I did this. I made like the text align with each other. Oh, or actually no, it's not aligned yet, but I did the rounded corners. Yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, we did small little thing. But yeah, I don't know. I think we did good. We made some good progress and stuff. We made the good progress stuff and things. Yeah. I don't know. I think we can probably call it. I was kind of planning on this one being a bit shorter stream style, but we did some good things. We did some good progress. We made little rounded corners on our Sigma app and stuff. Yeah. I think it was pretty good. Thank you. Yeah, thanks for stopping by, friend. Thank you for stopping by. Thanks all friends for stopping by. Yeah, we'll have like a little shorter one, but I hope you enjoyed. I hope you enjoyed dank memes and brain rots and my old crude humor. Yeah, I don't know. A lot of the apps that I build nowadays aren't so like that. Like Yippie's a lot more friendly, a lot more family friendly than that one. Yeah, but then thanks friends for stopping by. Let's go back to our cyber room then, shall we? I think so. Yes. Hello, friends. We are back in here. Yeah. Thanks, friends, for joining the Gigachad Sigma app dev stream. It's been like a minute since I've worked on that app. Maybe like 1 or 2 months actually, because we've been going hardcore on our Yippie app. So it's good to get back to our other app. Yeah, because eventually I do want to publish the Gigachad one too. Yeah. But we'll probably come out with a Yippie update pretty soon actually. Yeah. Oh, no ads. I'm so sorry for ads, friends. I'm very sorry for this. Yes, this is no good. But thank you all, friends, for stopping by. Thank you again, H. Ingalls, for the raid as well. It's good to see you, friend, fellow of the green circle varieties. Yes, we like this a lot. But yeah, I hope you all have a nice rest of your day, midday, evening, wherever you be. I hope it is very good. Yeah. Also, wait. We should raid into somebody ourselves. Let's also raid into somebody. Well, let's see. Who is live right now? Who is doing the streaming thing? Let's see who is doing streaming thing. Actually, oh wait, there's a new friend we've met. There's a new friend that we've been talking to. Let's raid into this friend. Because I actually have not checked out his stream as much before. We've lurked mostly. Let's check out friend Basil. Basil is a very cool streamer. He's a very cool friend. Yeah, he does a lot of cool like varieties and stuff. A lot of cool varieties. He's doing a collab right now. He's doing Party Animals collab with lots of cool friends. But yeah, think Thai friends for watching. Yeah. I'm sorry if ads are going on. I don't like ads. I don't like ads. I don't like ending during ads. Yeah, we don't like this. We don't like this. But thanks all friends for watching. Yeah, we will check out Basil. But we'll be back on Monday at 6 p.m. Eastern for some mega gaming. I think we'll do some mega gaming. Maybe we'll finish like Resident Evil or something. Although I also wanted to play like the Aether mod in Minecraft. Maybe we'll do one of these. We'll do one of these. But thanks all friends for stopping by. But yeah, I hope you all take care, and we will catch you on the flip side. Yeah, bye-bye. Let's check out friend Basil. Yeah. Let's check out friend.